to keep. I've seen the ages come and go, watched rivers change their course and flow. Birds have nested, children climbed, and still I stand through rain and time. Oh, the talking tree so wise and old tells tales of time and whispers bold. Leaves that shimmer, roots that run deep, secrets it's promised the earth to keep. If you listen close in the quiet night, you'll hear it hum by the pale moonlight. A lullaby for the world to hear, from a tree that speaks when no one's near. Yes, the talking tree with bark so rough knows when the world has had enough. It sings of peace, of love, of green, the wisest tree you've ever seen.
Thank you for watching my channel kuttis. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Bye.